This is how you can view filtered comments on a Facebook post. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. You can see this post has about 1.1k comments, 1,100 comments. When you try to view these comments, it is only one that is available. Click on the comment section, only one is available. The most relevant is selected. Some comments may have been filtered out. So you can decide to view the most relevant, the newest, or all comments. I'll be going for all comments. Simply click there and you will see all the comments that we have filtered out. You can see them, 1,100 comments we have filtered out. The most relevant is selected. This is how you can view filtered comments on Facebook. Just select any one of them from the newest to the most relevant, or just all the comments, and all of them will be available. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.